Hope you guys enjoyed that clip of my unboxing. This is my Galaxy Plakat Betta. I ordered from eBay. I'm satisfied with the Betta. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but you know, you can't get everything in life, right? So, yeah, he's a pretty cool fish. He was around 40 bucks, including shipping. So, yeah, I just had a 5-gallon tank, you know, collecting dust, and I thought it would be a cool project to just try and get like a small betta fish. He's a pretty cool fish. You know, he's pretty active. I like his activity, and he's a personable guy. I don't really have a name for him, but you know, I don't really name my fish anyways. So yeah, the tank is 5-gallon tank with some black Cereus stone. I thought it would match this fish well. And you know, he's pretty curious, loves to eat, and you know, just a cool small little project for me, and like super easy to take care of, unlike my other tanks. And yeah, just a breath of fresh air. So now I will cue the montage.